In a groundbreaking move towards sustainable energy, the Union Cabinet has given the green light to the PM-Surya Ghar, Muft Bijli Yojana, a visionary project set to transform rooftop solar energy in India. With a whopping 75,021 rupees crore boost, this initiative pledges 300 free electricity units monthly to 1 crore households. No need to worry about costs. Avail collateral-free, low-interest loans at 7% for residential RTS systems up to 3 kilowatts. Public sector units, under the Power Ministry, will install solar systems for eligible households, financed through surplus power sales. Each district will flaunt a model solar village, inspiring rural adoption. To emphasize local production, the scheme boosts solar panels made in India. Providing payment security and a fund for innovation, this is the path to a sustainable future.